Well, this is my first of several different videos for my Prusa i3 MK3. This is Z calibration. This one's 300. See how it's not bound together? They're individual threads. The loop is not hooked on. Very thin, very fine. This one's 400. Again, they're individual threads. Very delicate. Frames not holding on. This one's 500. Got some binding and some individual threads. We're getting closer. This one's 600. This is the first one where everything is bound together in one cohesive sheet. And it's well bound. Whoop, I split it. Okay, here we got 700. It's going to be a little hard to see with my camera, but it's got artifacts around the edge. And it feels like, I don't know, 400 grit, 500 grit sandpaper. You see, it's well bound. Obviously, it's dragging through the previous layer on this. Oh, I probably should mention, this is a calibration layer sheet, linked below in the description. It's exactly 0.2, printed at 215/55, and Prusa's included filament, which by the way is fantastic. And this one just shows everything. We've got 700 right here. See the bubbles and artifacts? We got 600 here, 500 here, and 400 here. Well, I hope this is helpful. It saves you a few prints. Bye.